Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you read the title, I am going to be painting a white t-shirt because I completely refuse to give my money to companies that don't believe in treating their third world country employees properly and fairly, and also because I'm just not a fan of buying t-shirts that have a little bit of design for like double or triple the amount, because I love my money and I'm sure a lot of y'all do too. So lately I have been into these baggy t-shirts with like a little bit of design in the middle or maybe some cool text. That really is something that I feel comfortable wearing, I like wearing, and obviously that's something that I have been searching a lot on the internet. So obviously the Instagram algorithm, because it works so perfectly, decided to show me a bunch of these from website, which I was very close to buying, I will have you know, but then I don't know what knocked some sense into me and I realized that no, Shalu, why buy it when you can make it yourself? So I decided to order a plain t-shirt from Amazon. I got this in a combo. I got a black and a white. The design that I have picked, it's a very easy design. Like there's no way that I can fuck this up. Like there's absolutely no way that I can fuck this up. But the first thing we're going to do is set up a camera on the desk so that you guys can see what I'm doing, and the next thing that we're gonna do is pray that it doesn't fall off. We are all set up. A quick rundown of everything that I've got here. Obviously the white t-shirt, I've got a pencil and an eraser, I've got some brushes, I've got some fabric color, a set of 12 I'm assuming, and I've got a glass to clean my brushes. I've only used acrylic colors once in my life, and that was when Trisha was doing like a big ass actual painting, and some color was left off, so she told me it's gonna become hard and it's gonna become solid, so she told me I can use the color up for whatever I need. So yeah, that's the only memory I have of acrylic colors. No experience whatsoever, but we got this. Obviously to start up, we are gonna draw it with pencil so that we don't absolutely F up. I had a scale lying around somewhere here. One sec. The first thing I'm gonna do is, divide the parts of the t-shirt and basically draw a line in the center, if that makes any sense. I was originally gonna do it like freehand because this looks like such a freehand kind of drawing and there's no like symmetry in this drawing. But I just decided that I'm not gonna take that chance because ये t-shirt भी काफी expensive. I mean काफी expensive तो नहीं, but हाँ 200 रुपए का t-shirt है. 200 रुपए में पता है 20 कुरकुरे आ सकते हैं, ठीक है. 200 रुपए में पता नहीं क्या क्या कर सकती हूँ. तो आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग लाइक बी अ ब्रैट एंड लाइक वेस्ट दिस टी शर्ट का पैसा, सो आई एम गोना not do freehand. Speaking of not wasting paisa, I tried to shoot this video last night, but then if you follow me on Instagram @Shalu Mishra, this dog randomly decided to start barking in the middle, so I had to quit filming. So I'm reshooting this video again, and I wore a daily lens, like the one you're only allowed to wear for 24 hours yesterday, and I opened it just before I was starting to film, and then all of this happened, so I put it in the box and I'm wearing them again. So basically it's been over 24 hours and I'm wearing daily lenses, which you're not supposed to, cause I'm chindi like that. So if I go blind tomorrow, you'll know why. So I feel like this is the center. I'm just gonna draw like, not a line obviously, but some dots. I'm not making lines because I literally don't know if this will wash off or not. Like obviously it will wash off, but I don't know how it will turn out, because in the end of the video I also want to show you guys what it looks like properly, and I won't have time to wash it before tomorrow's upload. Alright, now we have like a very rough X and Y axis. Every freaking artist watching this video right now would be so upset with me. I am so sorry. But we have that X and Y axis. Anyway, I think I'm just gonna start with drawing this flower because it just looks like the most non-threatening thing. Also, just reiterating, I am absolutely trying to ace this because I think if I get done with this t-shirt properly, it's gonna turn out looking really good. Count the number of petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 petaled flower. Let's go. This part is fine, right? Like I can make one here and then I can make one over, I think, over here. Yeah, and then the text can come somewhere here. I'm just like making random chotu outlines. I really don't know how well you guys will be able to see this, but I'm really trying, I promise you. I think it will be a lot more visible when I start painting it. Also, one thing I'm noticing about this flower is that it's very like drawn. You know, like there's some kind of stuff that's like beautifully drawn, and the strokes are like makhan. This one just looks like someone doodled it, which is I think why I love this design a lot. Petal number 2. Petal number 3. Why the fuck are my petals looking squarish? This petal looks like a square. I hate it. Alright, I got this, bitches, I got this. Oh, I'm done. 2 of my flowers are done. I don't think they look bad. I feel like I could have made them a little bigger, but I feel like in the grand scheme of things, like it'll look fine. Flowers here are done. I'm gonna move on to the text part now, the letters part. I have started with the letters, and I feel like this is gonna turn out really well, man. Like I really am liking the vibe that this is giving me. Is this big enough? What I need to take care of right now is that the measurements are right. You know, like the word is at the right line, axis. What the f is it called, man? Some artists here, tell me what is it called? Like the same. Oh god, I'm gonna go crazy. I can't even wake Trisha up. It's like 3 in the morning right now. I just got done writing all of the letters. I think it looks pretty satisfactory. I definitely fucked up with the G in the together, but all in all I think it does not look bad. Now I have to draw the mountains and the sun, which I mean I want to say is the last part of this, but also the most crucial part of this, because I really need to capture the exact same expression the sun has onto this t-shirt, because I think that is what, along with the text obviously, that is what really attracted me to this t-shirt, because just look at the pain and this sadness in the eyes of the sun, but it's still like, you know, out there doing its thing, because it knows that people depend on it, and like, you know, I love the sun, that's why it rises every day. But yeah, I just really want to make sure that I'm able to copy the sun and the mountains and everything exactly. I'm gonna start with this ray of sunshine between E and T. It's just like this. That's it. Now I know like where to draw the sun and stuff. That's a good starting point. Alright. Other than the fact that this t-shirt captures my perpetual emotional state very well, the first thought I had when I saw it was that it would be so cool to wear it in like, you know, a dard bhara story time. And yeah, that's just how I live my life, man. Everything I do, waking up, sleeping, I just think of this. I just think of you. I think of us. So like, share, subscribe. If you are not following me on Instagram, you may not know this, but I had a COVID scare. More on it in tomorrow's vlog. I don't know if you guys noticed this already, but we are very close to 10k subscribers, which is, I know I say this so often, but it's crazy that these many people like to watch me. I know you guys are not able to see it very well, but you will when I start painting over this. Oh my god, this does not look bad at all. My only issue with this is that maybe my smiley looks a little cuter than the sun, but it's okay because the text totally like balances out that cuteness. Like, it's just obviously me. Anyway, this is ready. We're just gonna like start painting on this. I have a couple of brushes. I have this जिसमें मैं ब्रश को साफ करूंगी. I hope इसमें से कलर चला जाए इस एक्सपेरिमेंट के बाद, नहीं तो I'll be dead tomorrow. I just realized that the paint may seep through the t-shirt and also show at the back side of the t-shirt. So I found like these two random plastic bags that I'm going to insert between the top layer and the bottom layer of the t-shirt so that the color doesn't go through. I am honestly in half a mind to erase all of this, draw a heart, write YOLO and call it a day, because my commitment issues are really peaking right now. I am literally so happy right now because except this E, I think it's turning out really well. And now I can just envision myself buying t-shirts for cheap and making like cooler versions of it at home and just feeling really happy, you know. There's like this rule in art that you're not supposed to change your strokes. Like if you're going like this, you're not supposed to go like this. And if you're going like this, you're not supposed to go like this. Artists, please confirm or deny. I have been busting my ass thinking about ideas to make reels on my Instagram. I just posted one today and I think a lot of y'all liked it. So if you're not following me on Instagram, even if you're not following me on Instagram, go and like that reel. You don't have to follow me, no pressure. Just बीच में मेरी reels और मेरी तस्वीरें जाके like कर दिया करो. I got real quiet अभी बीच में because I was trying to focus on painting. And also I was like trying to film a time lapse to show you guys a morning azan. I think it's called azan, the prayer they have in the masjid. Because it's really early in the morning right now. So that's going on right now. And that's gonna get picked up by the camera. So I'm not gonna talk much. I'm just gonna get this done. And I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. And then obviously show you guys what the end product looks like. But I'm just so happy I'm getting to make this yaar. Ye t-shirt pata hai kab aayi thi? This came like, I would say a good month and a half ago. I've been planning to do this for so long. And now for the big reveal. Yep, this is what the final masterpiece looked like. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I think it's very clear that by this time I was really dead and exhausted. So that's the video. I hope you guys liked it. Like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath. Power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.